What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. We're back with another video. We have the G-Shock Magma Gold Limited Edition watch, the GWGB-1000MG-1A9 Mudmaster. Let's check it out. Let's go. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We have a cool video today. We have the Magma Gold G-Shock Limited Edition Mudmaster. Now this was cool. It is kind of popular out there, may I say, and it's a cool watch for many reasons. So here it is, the GWGB-1000MG for Magma Gold 1A9. 1 for black, 9 is usually a yellow color. In this case, it's a yellow, orange looking watch, which is pretty neat. I love it. I'm gonna show it to you guys real quick. They're saying that it's a limited edition G-Shock watch, so meaning that it should be released in small quantities, and then the watch will be discontinued. So won't be able to find it after the fact. I don't know the limited edition number aspect of it, how many they'll produce, how long, etc. So that's very ambiguous in terms of limited when it comes to Casio. So technically, if it's not numbered, if they haven't announced how many they are going to release, then any number could be limited, right? So they can keep producing it until there's no more demand, and then they call it a quits, which is typically what they do with any watch. So how limited is it? That is up to them, and us, the consumers, don't know. Mudmaster Limited Edition, clearly on the box. You see here, cool colorways. Got this yellow here in the box. Nice presentation box and trunk, which is included. Then you have this tote bag inside here with the G-Shock Mudmaster logo right on the tote right there. But let's get to the watch, which is actually stunning in nature, lovely colorway, and is very popular. So here it is, the GWGB-1000MG. The tag for reference, MG-1. Missing an A there, which is pretty interesting. I've never seen that before. And then US $990. Yes, US $990, which is astronomically more than the previous GWGB-1000 series watches, which were, I believe, they were $800, maybe $880. So yeah, they've definitely gone up. Inflation or whatnot, prices have gone up on this particular model. So this one is one of the most eye-catching Master G models Casio has released, in my opinion. They're combining premium materials, advanced technology, and a design that is truly inspiring for those who and love magma, and they love lava and volcanoes, etc. Because the design does reflect that exactly, the flowing lava and solidified gold that is found in lava and volcano eruptions, which is pretty cool. It's a nice little concept what they did here, but it does come with a premium price if in fact it's not limited as advertised. So let's take a closer look at this watch here. It's pretty cool. The design overall, it's pretty complicated, but it's nice. Design overall, you can see here the beautiful colorway, which gives you this kind of not a orange color, red color, kind of magma or volcano lava looking color orange, which is kind of reflective. It's pretty nice. Then you have the gold accents and rustic kind of copper colors throughout the combination of the watch. Great combination, stands out. It looks beautiful. The button right here, the light button, also has a nice little brown tone right on the bottom there. Orange accents or magma accents on the bottom of the watch there to kind of play with the design of the dial. Beautiful crown there. Again, they did a great job with this. The colorway is fantastic, I want to say. See that? So that's why they call it Magma Gold. You have the magma colors, you have gold accents throughout the watch, which is honestly, the name it fits perfectly for the design of this watch. The black dial is supposed to represent the cooled volcanic rock, right? So it's not just random colorway. It's actually significant. It's significant. It signifies something specific to magma and volcanoes. So volcanic rock, the orange and red accents symbolize the flowing lava, and the multi-tone gold bezel also means something. It reflects the like the golden materials, the minerals that are found behind after an eruption or a volcanic eruption on the mountain, which is pretty cool. That's a nice little touch. This watch is rugged. This is not a little pritsy watch. It's not for everyday desk use or executive officers or CEOs. This is truly a rugged, functional, truly functional day-to-day operation watch. You could go out there, hunt, you could do hiking, and take a beating, because truly it's a mud resistant, has triple sensor, multi-band 6, tough solar. It's just truly a machine alongside the limited edition and beautiful design. Now, if you look at the band with this limited edition watch, they just go with the standard black band with like what they did with the other G-Shock Mudmasters. You can see this one is different. This one's got a nice marble design, which is a nice little standout feature there. Nice little marble design, which is cooked into the resin band. Does truly create a unique pattern, which very geological themed pattern on this band. It means every strap is not unique. I'm sorry, every strap is unique. You can't find the same straps because the way they designed them, they molded them this way where it creates this unique marble design on every single band. It's very artistic. It's great design and a beautiful concept that G-Shock has produced on this model. Now, in terms of functions, this watch is strictly a beast. It comes with carbon core guard, which makes it relatively thin compared to other Mudmasters, right? It's a nice design. It's a carbon core. It also has shock resistance, mud resistance, because it's a Mudmaster, vibration resistance, 200-meter water resistance, and it also has a sapphire glass, which is scratch resistance. If anything can be scratched, but sapphire gives you that added level of protection for glass, which is truly absolutely a great touch. But for the price tag of $990, I think it's pretty much expected that you would have that quality into this particular model watch. Sapphire crystal, tough solar, multiband 6, carbon core guard, as listed earlier. 5713 is the module, GWGB-1000 on this beautiful, beautiful watch. This watch is hefty. This is not for the weak of heart. It is truly a large piece of watch and timepiece. So, and I'll show it to you on the wrist in a second here. So it's not for the faint of heart. If you have a small wrist, it's probably one you want to shy away. Truly, it's robust and it wears as such, and you'll notice it on your wrist. It is a little heavy at 114 grams, but it's truly comfortable on the wrist, and on a daily basis, you won't even notice. You'll get used to it. The way this mold right here in the bottom of the watch fits comfortably on the wrist, so even though it's a larger and heftier watch, it doesn't wear like one. It makes it truly a comfortable piece of equipment. This is not just a fashion watch, guys. This truly gives you a lot of function. This watch comes along with a lot of cool functions. Zoom in a little bit, you can see closer. Right there. This watch gives you digital compass, barometer. It gives you altimeter, thermometer. So you can go through the molds here. Barometer, temperature, recall, sun information, sundown, sunrise, stopwatch, timer, alarm functions, world time, multiband 6 receiving if you want to do that. Back to your home time, you have compass in the top, digital and analog. You can see that there. Also have altimeter here. This button there. It's truly a beast of a watch. lot of functions and a lot to use on this particular model. Beautiful. Another thing I want to make sure I mention is that this watch has Bluetooth technology, so it is you are able to use it with the Casio app. Allows you a lot of functionality. You're able to set the time automatically using your mobile device. You can store locations, access world time features. You can save mission logs. You can use location indication or indicators for your phone. Let's see, you could customize the settings here, set up alarm, timers, etc. You can even find your phone. If you press the button, your phone will give a little audible tone to let you know where it's at, strictly using the watch, which is pretty neat, right? One cool thing about the app as well is that you could choose a destination on the app, and the watch will actually point the hands in that direction and tell you and kind of guiding you in what direction to go using the app and the Bluetooth. Pretty neat feature if you ask me. Let me show you guys the backlight on this puppy so you can see what that looks like. Very nice. Dual LED illuminates the digital LED as well as the analog hands. Looks really great. It looks really cool. Great colorway like I mentioned earlier. Aside from the price point, which is significantly hefty, it does have a lot of functionality and a great design. So I think for the most part, I think it's worth it if you ask me. I'm gonna show you guys a macro look of this watch so you could capture and take in all the beautiful details of this watch, including the dial and the design surrounding the face. Let's check it out. Let's go. And there you guys have it, the Mudmaster Magma Gold Edition G-Shock watch in all its glory. A great timepiece. And before I forget, let me show you guys here on my wrist what it looks like. I do have a small wrist. I think it's like 6.5-inch wrist or 7-inch wrist. So it's relatively thin wrist, so you can kind of get an idea of what it looks like on my wrist here, which is pretty cool. Look at that. There you have that, baby. Oh yes. Gorgeous timepiece, guys. This lighting, I guarantee you, does not do it justice. The way this watch looks in person in natural light is just absolutely stunning. A great machine, great design, but just have to cough up a little money. There you guys have it. The GWGB-1000 Magma Gold Limited Edition G-Shock watch. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Leave a comment, tell me what you think of this watch, and hopefully you subscribe if you haven't done so already. Like and comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. This is Chicago. Holla at your boy. I'm out of here. Peace.
My G-Shock, I'm rocking 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 my G-Shock.